Dear children, today we are just going to have another topic of this geometry, that is tangent straight circle. We have done the similar triangles. Now we are taking tangent straight circle. Tangent straight circle to a circle. So circle, what is circle? The locus of a point which moves such that its distance all around is same. We are having the pencil which we are going to rotate here. This is the point, fixed point. From this fixed point in another move in this point, or is going to move on this path, this track, and from any point on this track to this point the distance is same. So the locus of a point which moves such that its distance all around is same on this fixed point is the circle. This is called a circle. Now what is tangent? Tangent is a line which touches a circle externally at one point. So what is tangent? Tangent, it is a line. It is a line which touches a circle at one point, at a point. This is A, this is L, this is B. AL or BL, or you can say ALB is the required tangent to this circle. L is point of contact. The point where a tangent touches to a circle is called the point of contact. The point where a tangent touches a circle is point of contact. Is point of contact. If the point of contact and this center is being joined, this is radius. OL is the radius of the circle. Is the radius of the circle. Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent and the point of contact. Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So we know what is a tangent now. Now any line which passes through a circle, मान ऐसे है ये कोई line जो circle से के बाहर से और अंदर से भी जा रही है, it is L. Any line which passes through a circle is secant. Secant, it is a line. It is a line which passes through a circle. Which passes through a circle. It cuts the circle at 2 points. It intersects the circle at 2 points. At 2 points. So this is what we should know. Now there is the theorem related to this tangent. Prove that radius is always perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact, or a tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Here it is. This is the circle. This is the line which is touching the circle. It is AB. At point P it is touching it. O P is the radius given. What this theorem states, prove that the radius of a circle is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. At the point of contact given. What is given? A circle with center O. A circle with center O. OP is the radius. OP is the radius. And APB is the tangent. To prove, we have to prove that this OP is perpendicular on APB. OP perpendicular on AB. Construction. Let us take some other points. Here is S and here is T. Let us join OS and OT. Let us take some more points over here. Take 2 points or 3 points. It is up to you only. Take 2 points S and T on AB as shown. Prove. Join OS and OT. Therefore, OS is larger than OP. OS is larger than OP. Why it is larger? Because it goes beyond the radius. Radius से बाहर निकल रहा है, तो ये तो radius ही है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक तो radius ही है. O से S तक बाहर जा रहा है, तो this is larger than OP. Because OS is more than radius. Similarly, OT is also larger than OP. Same, because OT is more than the radius. So any point which we are going to take other than this P. So O, whatever the point here, may be this and this, or this and this, or this and this. All these points, all these segments, O to this point, O to this point, or anywhere. So those line segments will be more than OP. As we know, the perpendicular distance is the shortest distance always in geometry. In geometry, we know perpendicular distance is the shortest distance, Therefore, OP is perpendicular on AB, because perpendicular distance means it is perpendicular. So OP is perpendicular to AB. That is to be proved. Next theorem. What next theorem says? What next theorem says? If we take any point outside the circle, and from that point, if we are going to draw two tangents to the circle, prove that they are equal. This is the circle. Here is one tangent, here is another tangent. This is PA and PB. with center O given. What it states, prove that tangents from an external point to a circle are equal. This we have to prove. Given a circle with center O, PA and PB are two tangents. PA and PB are two tangents. To prove is PA is equal to PB. Construction. What is construction? Let us join O with A. Let us join O with B. Let us join O with B. Join OA, OB and OP. Prove. Now two triangles are obtained. In two triangles, as we have done in class 9, in two triangles OAP and OBP, OA is equal to OB because it is the radius of the circle. O से A तक अगर 5 सेंटीमीटर, O से B तक 5 सेंटीमीटर, O से A तक 3 सेंटीमीटर, O से B तक भी 3 सेंटीमीटर है. Radius of the circle. Then next one, as we know, just now we have done angle A is equal to angle B because this is 90 degree. Angle A is equal to angle B, each 90. Because in the first term we have done this radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. And OP equals OP. OP is equal to OP. OP, first third, common. Therefore, triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP by RHS. This implies corresponding parts will be equal. PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB by CPCT. Hence proved. So tangents from an external point are always equal. On the basis of this, we have to do many questions. Remember from the exercises. Now let us do some exercise questions. What are those? Let us find out those questions. What are the questions? The question says, in a circle of radius, it is an extra sum or it may be from the book also. In a circle of radius 3 centimeter, a tangent from a point, it is PA, is 4 centimeters. The length of a tangent from a point to the point of contact is 4 centimeter and the radius of the circle is 3 centimeters. Find the distance from the center to the point. Find OP. In the given circle, it is a question. In the given figure, in the given circle, PA is equal to 4 centimeters. OA is equal to 3 centimeter. Find OP. So we know that OAP is a right triangle. Solution. Since triangle OAP is a right triangle, therefore OP square is equal to OA square plus PA square by PGT, Pythagoras theorem. So OP square is equal to OA is 3 centimeter whole square plus 4 centimeter square. This is 9 centimeter square plus 16 centimeter square. This is 25 centimeter square. OP whole square is equal to 5 centimeter whole square. Square gets cancelled. OP is 5 centimeters. Therefore, the length of the distance from the center to the point, external point, is 5 centimeters. So, on the basis of this, if it is being given like this is given and this is given, we have to find the radius. Same we have to do. Or this may be given, this may be given, and we have to find this length of the tangent. So, we can do those by Pythagoras theorem only. Now, next sum. The next sum says it is if two tangents of a circle, are inclined at, if two tangents to a circle are inclined at 40-degree angle, what is the angle subtended at the center by these? This is A, this is O, this is B, this is P. This angle is 40-degree. This angle we know already, this is 90. This also we know, this is 90. So OBPA is a quadrilateral. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So we will add these three angles, make minus from 360. We will get angle AOB. That is what we have to do. So how to do? In the given figure, this is the question. PA and PB are tangents to a circle inclined at 40-degree angle. Find angle AOB. Solution. Since PA and PB are two tangents, therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90-degree. Also angle APB is equal to 40-degree. It is given. Therefore, in quadrilateral AOBP, angle A plus angle AOB plus angle B plus angle P is equal to 360 degree by angle sum property. This implies 90 degree plus angle AOB plus 90 plus 40 degree is equal to 360. 90, 90, 180 and 40 is 220 degree plus angle AOB is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle AOB 360 minus 220. This is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. It is 140 degree. So this angle will be 140 degree. Angle AOB. Similarly, another question we can do. Prove that a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. Prove that in a quadrilateral which circumscribes a circle, ABCD, a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. Here is the quadrilateral. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is P, this is Q, this is R, and this is S. quadrilateral ABCD circumscribes a circle. Circumscribes a circle at P, Q, R and S. Show that AB plus CD is equal to BC plus DA. Solution. Quadrilateral ABCD circumscribes the circle at P, Q, R and S. Therefore, as we have done just now, the tangents from an external point are always equal. So AP and AS are tangents, BP and BQ are tangents, CR and CQ are tangents, DR and DS are tangents. So that we will write they are equal. So we will write therefore AP is equal to AS. This is first one. Tangent is from the external point. We will give all reasons in one only. Also BP is equal to BQ. This is second one because tangent from the external point B. Similarly CR is equal to CQ. This is third one. Tangent is from external point C. And DR is equal to DS. This is fourth. Tangent is from external point. So tangent is from external point. Tangent is from external points. That is A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. Adding these all four. Adding 1, 2, 3 and 4 conditions we get. So AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus DS, because S is here, here is also S, so we will make AS and DS close. AS plus DS plus PQ plus CQ, PQ plus BQ, it is not PQ, it is BQ, it is BQ, BQ plus CQ. So AP plus BP is AB plus CR plus DR is CD. AP plus BP is AB, then CR plus DR is CD is equal to AS plus DS is AD plus BQ plus CQ is BC. This is what to be proved, what needs to be proved. So AB plus CD is BC plus DA. This is what to be proved. So this much is, these are some questions related to these tangents to a circle. More questions on this will be done in the classes. So let us try and do some more questions. All the best.